Let's learn to distort the pattern with paint stroke. So this is simple steps. First of all you have to do is that add a fill layer over here and then add a black mask paint layer, and then we will randomly draw some stroke over here. So you can see right here, so this is some strokes I'm drawing over here. So I just want the pattern to be distort like warp in this specific region. So right over here, we will add some more strokes, small strokes and big strokes over here. So right over here, so you can see this one. So right now I will uh, add this layer bottom over here because we are going to add a anchor point. So we will add an anchor point over here. We will call this ref. So this will be a reference layer. So all the information what below this is the paint. So this anchor point, no, this is the what the strokes are here. So you can see right here. So we will just uh, disable this one. So as you can see right over here, we will add a warp filter. So we are going to add a warp filter here. So right over here you can see the pattern is distorting but not exactly how it is supposed to be. So we will just add over here. So we will go over here in this option source mode, in the source parameters, so custom noise. So right over here you will see this option. So just select your anchor point. So this is our anchor point. So you can see this, we have selected our anchor point from this option. So you can see this one. So our anchor point is selected, this one, our anchor point is selected. So you can see this had applied a noise in wherever we had drawn the pattern. So you can see this one in this one. But if you find something sharp over here, so just click here, adjust the setting here. So you can see this over here. So if I want to increase the intensity, so you can see this. If I want to like keep it, so you can see this, there's barely any difference. So you can see there's some difference, but if I keep this count to like 1, so you can see this, there's a big difference. You know that. So right over here, just like this one you can do. So if you find this little bit more harsh, all you can do is that you can add a fill layer over here, filter over here, add a blur filter, you can add it. So you can also adjust from over here. So if you're finding something issue, so right over here, what good about this is, so you can, as well as you can click here and just remove all the the channel over here, disable those all channel. So I click here, and if I want to remove this one, so you can see this one. This is what like the beauty of this anchor point and warp filter. To do manipulate some things like some pattern you want exactly like that to match with reference. Now we are going to test this method on material. So we had already added a filter, and we will click here warp filter, warp over here. So right over here I will click here and do the same thing, and we will click here add custom noise, and then we will pick our anchor point. So you can see this one, and we will click here and we will increase the intensity. Let's see. So right over here you can see this, and if I want to increase more, so you can see this over here. So that's how like you can manipulate distort pattern specifically on certain area to match with reference.